Welcome back to the Voice News. I am Palak with you. Survey on Modi cabinet. Only 4% of the people said adding new ministers will work better. According to local circles, 53% of the country's people believe that in order to improve governance, a robust system is needed to set clear objectives and measure the performance of ministers. Survey on Modi cabinet. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has expanded the first cabinet of the second term. A total of 12 ministers, including Health Minister, Education Minister, Information Technology, Information and Broadcasting Minister, were discharged from the cabinet, while 36 new places were included in the government. Meanwhile, the website Local Circles conducted a survey regarding the expansion of the cabinet. In the survey, only 4% of the people believe that in the conclusion of new ministries will improve guidance. What was asked in the survey? According to Local Circle, 53% of the people countries believe that in order to improve guidance, a robust system is needed to set clear objective and measure the performance of ministers. People were asked in the survey, do they believe that the Modi government needs to deliver the promises of better governance and manifesto? Who said what? 2% people said having more ministers will give better governance. 2% said being a bureaucrat will give better governance. 2% said having a minister and a bureaucrat will give better governance. 12% said that the need to work in the private sector. Only 6% said for better governance. The government will have to take more decisions. 5% did not give any opinion. While 5% said we do not think it is better possible to give better governance. 3% said to improve governance, a robust system is needed to set clear objectives and measures the performance of ministers. How was the survey done? During the survey, 9,618 responses were received from citizens living in 3096 districts of India. Of this, 68% were men and while 32% were women. The survey was conducted through the Local Circle platform and all the participants were valid pre-citizens. If you're watching on Facebook, then follow this page. If you're watching on YouTube, then like, subscribe and share. And don't forget to press bell icon. Thank you.